guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video just like always. I'm currently at work right now, so I'm going to try to keep this one a little short. But I hope you guys enjoyed that handboarding video. I actually just got a new tripod. Me and my mom were going through her old closet, and she ended up having a really nice tripod. This is what it looks like. It has like 3 stages of it, and it's super nice and very sturdy. I'm really stoked on it. So I was like, I haven't done a handboarding video in a while, so why not do one for you guys? You guys like the other ones, and I was like, you know what? Let's make one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna probably do more in the future. They're super fun, and I haven't handboarded in a while, so this was good for me. But yeah, if you guys ended up liking this video, go ahead and hit the like button, comment, and subscribe for more content. And I'll see you guys soon. Deal.